Hi, today I'll explain the straight line depreciation method, a common way to calculate how much value an asset loses over time. So what is straight line depreciation? Straight line depreciation spreads the cost of an asset evenly across its useful life. This means every year, the asset loses the same amount in value until it reaches its salvage value, which is the value left after full use. In this straight line depreciation, we use the formula depreciation expense equals cost of asset minus salvage value over useful life. Cost of asset, which is the purchase price, salvage value, the value after full use, and the useful life, which is the number of years asset will be used. Now, let's have an example. Suppose a company buys a delivery van for 500,000 pesos. It is expected to last 5 years and will have a salvage value of 50,000 pesos. How much is the annual depreciation using the straight line method? So in this example, we'll calculate the annual depreciation of an asset using the straight line method. To solve this, we use the straight line depreciation formula. Depreciation expense equals the cost of the asset minus salvage value divided by the useful life. So first, we substitute the values from our problem into the formula. Cost is 500,000 pesos, salvage value is 50,000 pesos, and useful life is 5 years. Next, we subtract the salvage value from the cost. 500,000 pesos minus 50,000 pesos equals 450,000 pesos. This is the total depreciation over 5 years. Finally, we divide 450,000 pesos by the useful life, which is 5 years. So 450,000 pesos divided by 5 equals 90,000 pesos. So the van depreciates by 90,000 pesos every year using the straight line method. And that's it. So that's how the straight line depreciation method works. It is simple, consistent, and easy to calculate. Thank you for watching.